Hey guys, Tom here from Embeddable. Today I'm excited to introduce you to our new data model editor. So if you head over here to the data model editor tab, what you'll notice is straight away is that you'll see all the data models, the code models that you've already pushed to your platform. So you can see these here. But what I'll be highlighting is actually this plus button, which allows you to create models in the platform instead of always defining them in code. So I click plus here, and what you'll notice is asking me for the name and the SQL for my first model. So I'll create one called users. I can either type in the name of the table or SQL view for that table, or I can go full SQL. So I can do select star from users, where, etc., etc. But maybe let's keep it simple for now. So I'll create a model, and what you can see, I've created that, and it's already showing me a preview of what that model looks like. And what you'll also notice is that there's some dimensions and some measures automatically added for you. So we've assumed that you want a primary key. If you need to change that up, just change it in here. We've also assumed that most models want some kind of time dimension. So again, we've added one called created app, just change that up, easy. Or if you want to add your own dimensions, it's really easy. So I'll make one called country, type string here, and actually the column's called country as well. And so now I've added that one here. And similarly with measures, we've got a count straight away, but I might want to add another one for various different types of measure. If you're not sure about what one of these fields means, there's lots of nice question marks that explains in detail about what you need to do. Or if you get stuck, just reach out to us or check the documentation. You can also see there's more options here hidden away. And then finally, if you want to add some joins, that's really easy as well. Basically just say, hey, I want to join on to this particular other model. Notice you can join on to code models as well as no code models, which is what we call the ones that you build in platform. And you define the relationship as well as the on clause. So just put your SQL in here to define that relationship. But yeah, for now, let's try out our model. So if I want to test it out, I'll head over to the data playground. I'll show you that in a second. But what you can also do is if you do want to add your model, once you're happy with it, to your code base, just click download and add it to your code base. But yeah, let's try it in the data playground. So I'll click test in data playground here. And what you'll see is it's automatically chosen my model. I can choose my country and by count, for example, hit run. And you can see here the SQL that's from my model that's being used and the results that's come back. So that's really nice for testing out the new model that I've created. And yeah, the last thing to point out is obviously if you want to do your row level security, etc., you can do that as well. So the typical thing is you might do, I don't know, ID equals, and you do your kind of compile context, etc., type in here. There's an example here of what's typically done when you're doing your kind of row level security. I hope that's been really helpful. Any questions, reach out. Looking forward to hearing your feedback as well. Thanks, guys.